Okay, so we've just finished day 2 of the cruise. We've been in Santorini today. We decided did we go off the boat? What did we do? Stay on the ship?
Cruise ship.
On the cruise ship, yeah. And we were late up, so we missed breakfast in the restaurant, so we went and had breakfast in the buffet. And what did you have? Can you remember?
I do.
Egg toast and pancakes. And we were very tired today, so we had a look around the ship. We had some coffee, and you had some tea, and then we had some lunch, and we came back and we had what did we have? Well, we had a nap first. We had a nap, and then we went in the swimming pool, didn't we? And what did you do to me?
Met you.
You splashed me, didn't you? And then what happened when you wanted to get out? What happened?
I don't know.
What did Dad go and ask for? Man to put the special chair in the water, wasn't it, to get you out, which is really helpful.
Yeah.
And then we had an ice cream, and then we came back and we had a shower, and then we're all dressed up in our fancy clothes to go out for dinner.
Yeah.
What a great day.
Yeah.
Awesome lighting on the deck tonight.
Well, we're in Valletta in Malta today. It's busy, it's hot, it's a beautiful place. It's not very wheelchair friendly, it's quite steep, but we're having a great time. We bought some papers and pencils and we've had a drink. Food prices are really reasonable. We had a pint of Coke and I had a pint of not Coke, beer, and it was €9.50. So had a lovely time, now heading back to the ship.
There we go.
Okay, it's the last morning of our cruise. We were up of our cabin by about 7:15. 7:30 was the must be out by time. And we come up to the buffet. It's the busiest it's been, but it's still found a table. Still lots of friendly staff and great food. So it's 8 o'clock now. I think we've got to be off the ship by 9:30. Our taxi's at 10 o'clock. And our flight's just after 2 this afternoon from Barcelona El Prat Airport. Looking at likely to be some air traffic delays today due to thunderstorm activity, both across Northern Europe but also into the UK around the London area. We've already had an email from British Airways warning us of potential delays. So we'll see how that pans out. Lauren's excited that she might get to hear thunder or see lightning from inside the plane later. So we'll have to listen out to the pilot and the captain to tell us if we're going to see any lightning or hear any thunder. And yeah, it's that kind of thing, isn't it? We're sad, we're disappointed that the holiday's over, and we're looking forward to going on the plane, but looking forward to being home too.
Thanks for watching part 3 in our series of the cruise on Celebrity Ascent. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.